Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Klipsch R6 neckband earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for any reason, like they're not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history off of them, so that you can basically set them up as though they were brand new coming out of the box for the first time. And if you do decide you want to get a new set of earphones, you can check out the link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, if we want to do this reset, all we need to do is, first things first, before we reset the headphones, let's go on our phone or whatever and just have them forget this device that they've been paired with in the past. And then we're just going to come in, and there's a volume up button here, volume down button here, and this button in the middle. We're just going to press and hold this button in the middle for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds are up, we can go ahead and release it, and now we can go ahead and pair these back to our phone like we're pairing a brand new set of earphones.